UFC 281 is just around the corner. November 12th, Israel Adesanya versus Alex Pereira. Alex could be seen sparring, trading blows with Glover Teixeira, the former light heavyweight champion of the world. Two bulldogs in their nature, just slinging blows, nothing but bones to the cranium, pivots of the hips, catching each other in glancing blows, but holding back just enough because they know they're friends. But if they wanted to, they can unload at will and catch each other violently. It's a beautiful dance, if you will, a dance of violence. But on the other side of violence is peace. Here we can see Conor McGregor taking some time and taking in the scenery of this beautiful place that he's at.
Daddy, what are you doing? Daddy, what is Daddy doing, Mom?
He's just doing stuff.
You know what, if I could jump up to that tour and tell you that though.
Wow. It's super rainy.
Yeah.
Mommy, I see the storm. Storm.
Conor McGregor is living his life. Pretty sure every man on this planet would love to be in Conor McGregor's shoes. He's doing TV shows. He's pretty much conquered the fight game. The biggest symbol of the UFC, which is the biggest mixed martial arts fighting organization in the world. And here he is, doing pull-ups off some bamboo temple in the middle of God's nowhere, where palm trees or whatever those trees are, blowing in the wind. And I'm sure the rain is just the purest of H2O, dropping down, serenity.